Well, a fabulous good morning to you all from beautiful Queensland in Australia. What does it look like in your part of the world today? Today for us, it's going to be 33 degrees. So we have a little project and we're going to start it now and do most of the work before it gets really warm. And then tomorrow it looks like it's going to be 36. So we will complete the project early in the morning and then we will just hop inside in the air conditioning. So what are we up to? These are a couple of rose gardens on both sides here, and initially when we put them in we liked the idea of a trimmed edge. Now the thing here is we get a lot of different weeds in our area, and the constant digging of the edging is quite time consuming. So we thought, let's put that to bed and let's create a new border for these gardens. And a border, that means less maintenance. So less maintenance means more time to enjoy the garden. And this is the rose garden on the other side. So the two gardens back onto each other, and they both have the same challenge, as you can see, the edging and the amount of weeds that grow in there. We're going to fix that so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Now we've got many varying types of edging around the gardens within our large garden, and this particular edging is something that we tried just recently and we're quite happy with it. So we're going to be using this for the project. It's tough and it's flexible and quite easy to install, and it's perfect for what we want for edging around gardens. It's 2.5 millimeters thick and it's made from black high density polyethylene. So something that will last for a really long time. And what you see here are the spikes that hold it down into the ground. And just a little tip, because we've used this particular edging before, is to roll it out the day before in the sunshine to soften it up, so it makes it easier for you to put into shape when you're ready to put the garden edge down. Well, we're getting close to being able to put the edging up. The edges here have actually been cleaned back. You can see the weeds have now all gone. It's been all nice and tidy. And what we're actually going to do is, our edging is actually only 75 mil deep. So instead of putting it right down here in the dirt, we're actually going to sit it up on top. So that'll give us an edging of 75 mil above the garden. And then you can see there's lots of wood chips and mulch in there. We'll then bring that forward to where the garden edge is. So we're getting very close to changing the look of these gardens. We decided the easiest thing to do would be to put some screws and attach it. We've got a pole there, so that's going to make that easy. So this is the first part of putting the edging down. And so the edging on this garden has gone from looking like this to looking absolutely fabulous like this. This black poly product is amazing. I've actually made some interesting little curves in the garden. I don't want to make everything straight. So we pulled the mulch forward and now this garden is complete. How much tidier does it look with a little edge on it? I hope you're all having a fabulous day in your garden. The temperature's dropped here and the wind's taken up, so it's beautiful and cool. I'll see you soon again in my garden.